Like It Hot Festival, where there's spicy foods, a lot of spicy food. There's lots of events that are happening. Today we have the hot sauce competition and the hot concoction competition for all the vendors. Then there's going to be a pepper eating contest where you have to eat as many jalapeno peppers in 3 minutes.
Saucy Queen here. This is the world's hottest lollipop. Over 1.5 million Scoville units. This innocent little lollipop can be tried at our extreme Lolly-Lick-a-thon. Let's try it, folks.
Thanks for coming out to the I Like It Hot Festival, and we'll see you next year. Stay spicy.